Taking off is also essential when we want to do roadworks. It does not only work for building works, but also for roadworks. So so far we've not done any taking off on the roadworks, and today I've decided to do external works, taking off of external works, and that is the roadworks. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Kindly, if you are new here, subscribe and stay tuned. Now we are going to look at this roadwork that we have here. As you can see, this is a roadwork. This is how the external works looks like. So before we do the taking off, I want us to go through the items that are in this drawing. So items to measure, we have excavation. So we are going to clear the site. This is our site, as you can see. That is our site. And then we are going to also remove vegetable soil. And then the roadworks itself includes, if you look at this section AA, we have the hardcore bed, and then we have the sub base, and then we have the base course. And then if you look at this section here, where we have the curb, down here we have a foundation where we are going to place that curb. So we have a concrete foundation, and then from there we have the curb stones. These are the curb stones here on top of the concrete. And then we have the channel. This is our precast concrete channel, this one here, it's our channel. And then we have maram filling. So before we place the PCC slab, we have we've gone to the foot part. So our item number 3 is the foot part. Under the foot part, we have the PCC slab, and then we have the sand bed, and then we have the maram. So we have those two items, and then on top of them we are going to place our PCC slabs, which are 600 by 600 by 50 millimeters PCC slab. And then once we've done that, we'll come to this drawing here. As you can see, we have grass to plant. We need to plant some grass here. And then we have some trees here. There are 3 of them of different girth. So we need to cut down those trees. So we are going to look at how we'll cut down these trees. And then, sorry, they are not actually 3, they are 1 2 3 4 5. We have 5 of them. So we need to cut down these trees. And then on where we are going to plant the grass, we need to import some red soil, because we cannot just plant grass on a dry area. So we need to import some red soil, so that on top of it we can plant our grass. So if you look at the drawing here, the dimensions have been given. So we have our length and our width, and this area here is section AA. This is where we have our section A down here. So this is where we have the foot part. So this is where we have all these details there along this section AA. So guys, on our next video shortly, we are going to look at how to take off items of these roadworks, that is external works.